The worst advice I ever got about handling investments was just leave everything to your family. Because here's the problem: not everyone who loves you is equipped to protect what you've built. In the first episode of the Sunset Protocol, we talked about your neighborhood, the people who would naturally show up if something happened to you. Today, let's talk about something harder. How do you choose the people who should actually help manage your financial life if you're no longer around? Most people choose based on emotion. My sibling loves me, my best friend cares about me, my relative means well. That's great. But love and capability are not the same thing. Managing a family during a crisis is a responsibility, not a popularity contest. The first thing I look for is values alignment. Do they understand how you think about money? Do they respect the systems you've built? Do they understand your priorities? Do they understand how much you value your family? Because if someone fundamentally disagrees with your approach to money, they may unintentionally dismantle everything you've worked so hard to create. You don't need someone who thinks exactly like you, but you do need someone who respects the blueprint you have created. The second thing is operational competence. Can they actually handle modern financial systems? Can they follow instructions? Can they manage documents, passwords, apps, accounts? Because wealth today isn't sitting in a filing cabinet. It's spread across platforms, different banks, brokerages, and digital systems. Good intentions won't help if someone doesn't know where to start. The third rule is emotional fortitude. Can they stay calm during difficult situations? Can they make decisions while everyone else is emotional? Can they hold boundaries when people start offering opinions? Because succession planning doesn't happen during perfect conditions. It happens during some of the hardest moments a family will ever experience. For me, the right person or persons needs all three. They all have to support each other as well. Values, competence, and emotional stability. Missing one may create a weakness in the system. Because the goal isn't to find someone who loves you most. The goal is to find someone who can protect the people you love the most. So if you're interested in breadwinner life, family finance, financial literacy, wealth building, and building systems that survive beyond you, follow along. In the next episode of the Sunset Protocol, we'll talk about roles. And that's the update for today, group mates. See you on the next one.